Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. I'm going to be making some easy, simple chicken noodle soup. So let's get started. So I'm using a big old chicken breast, and all I have on here is salt and pepper. You want to sear it. You want to flip it. Once you brown all sides, you want to remove it and add your onions to the pot. After cooking the onions for about 5 minutes, then you're going to add your garlic and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you're going to add your chicken stock. You can make your own, or you can use the carton like I did. Then you're going to add your big chicken breast, bone-in chicken breast, back to your pot with your celery and carrots and bring it back up to a boil. You also want to add a couple bay leaves, your fresh thyme, and we're basically going to cook this on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes to make sure your chicken is cooked all the way through and it's good to go. So it's smelling so good already. You want to add some salt. Alright, so while that is cooking, I'm going to work on some grilled cheese. I have my bread here, still Hawaiian bread. Right here I have Munster and sharp cheddar cheese. Alright, so I removed the chicken from the pot and I chopped it up. Now, you're going to add your noodles to the pot. Now, when you add your noodles, you're only going to cook this for 5 minutes. I don't care what the package says. 5 minutes. That's it. After 5 minutes, you want to add the chicken down in here, as well as some parsley, fresh parsley, and some fresh dill. You want to mix it up, cover it, and allow it to sit for 10 minutes before you eat it. So you mix it up really well, cover it, you're going to let it sit. That will continue cooking your noodles and everything will marry together. Alright, so I'm just going to put my bread right on my cheese on my bread. And when I put it in my pot, I cover it so it can have even browning. Alright, so this is what the soup looks like. I'm just going to plate it on up in my nice little bowl. I'm not drinking a big bowl of soup. It might look big on camera, but it's a nice petite bowl. Yum-oh. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like. I just love how it smells. The flavor is so rich. I didn't need a ton of chicken to have a strong chicken flavor because we really seasoned it well and cooked it well. This is my grilled cheese, nice and ooey gooey, ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I catch you guys on my next one. Enjoy my photos right at the end.